Girl, you a walking trophy. You a walking trophy. My girl, you a walking trophy. Yeah, your friends, them a walking trophy. Tell a girl say, girl, you know say you're pretty from your band. Walk out, girl, you not try hard. Them girls, they not pretty in a real life. You're pretty on the gram, and you're pretty in a real life.
Oh my God, it snowed! But anyways, good morning, you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl, Zoesha. Hold on, I'm coming over there. I'm coming. Let me just put these down. Hey guys, good morning. It is Friday, March the 2nd, and I am making my breakfast for work. I'm making some oats porridge. Oh, it just called me. I come. Jesus Christ. Yo, you guys, it's so hard. It's so hard not being as fast as it used to be. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm making oats porridge and I'm kind of getting myself ready for work. My boss usually picks me up at around like anytime after 8:30, although today is Friday. So normally everyone comes in for their pays today. And the first set of people that are going to be coming in are like the overnight people, because they finish work at 7 o'clock in the morning. So I gotta be ready for that. I feel like I should make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. It's crunchy. It's crunchy. So I'm gonna have oats and I have crunchy peanut butter. So what's up, guys? What's happening in the world? I'm stressing out a little bit right now. Well, March is gonna be a great month, but it's also a very stressful month for me as well. But it's March now. Let me show y'all what I be working with in the kitchen. So this is my porridge. Can you like, it's not even on high. Like, I don't understand. But anyways, so look at this nigga. Yes, breakfast is about to be lit, because when I tell y'all I be going to work hungry as hell, like as soon as I go to work, I use this thing that we have here in Canada. Like, you guys, I guess in America, you guys, I don't know if they, no, they do Uber Eats in America. They do Uber Eats over here as well, but we also have another company that delivers like food services to you called Skip the Dish. And when I tell you, I just be at work looking at all the restaurants, figuring out what I want to eat. Yeah, and the other day was really good because I bought Wendy's and my drink spilled and like spilled all over my meal. So my courier was like, call them and get reimbursed. So I had like $20-something. No, I lied. It was $19.55. And then I had previous credits. So yeah, yesterday's lunch was, I got double lunch. Like, yesterday's lunch was free. Cheryl, I mean, I could have this for lunch if I wanted to. So yeah, what's been up, guys? I know I've been slacking on the uploads. Like, I be getting messages always like, Zoe, when are you gonna upload? It's just I don't want to continue uploading only about my updates, although that's what's going on with me right now. But like, I want some good content and stuff like that. So yeah, but in due time, okay, in due time, your girl will be back full throttle. I'm super excited though, because like I'm almost booked out for every weekend in March. I have an event that I am decorating or planning, so I'm really excited about that. I have a birthday party on the 17th. Actually, I'm double booked that weekend. I have a birthday party on the 17th, and then I have a baby shower the 18th. That's lit. That's lit. I have the Saturday to prepare for that. And then the 24th, I have a bridal shower. And like, yes, these events are for like people that I know and stuff, but at the same time, they're going to be inviting people who are going to be coming, and they're going to be inquiring as to who set up and da-da-da-da-da. So it's really good, great marketing. Last month, while being home after surgery, like I really was able to, oh my gosh, first of all, who likes crunchy peanut butter? Like, crunchy peanut butter is life. Like, yeah, smooth peanut butter is whatever, but like crunchy peanut butter, oh my god, I hope, no, he eats nuts, so I was thinking like, oh my god, I hope my boss isn't allergic, but whatever. But yeah, I was focusing a lot on my business. As I told you guys, my goal for 2018 is to expand and focus solely like on my business. I don't necessarily want to neglect my YouTube channel. That's not in the plan, but my business is what brings in shacoins, okay? So I need to focus on really what brings in the shacoins. YouTube is always going to be there, you know? So I was able to successfully register my business with Ontario. So my business is registered with Ontario, okay? And what else? A part of the expansion for my business, I will be getting, either I could get it today, I could get it this weekend, I could get it, but we'll see what happens. But I'm really thinking I'm gonna order it and just start doing that part of it, because I know that those things are in high demand right now. So I'm not even going to talk about it too much, but when I come out with my products and stuff like that, I will let you guys know. And then with that being said, I created my website. So I have a website and stuff like that, but I'm just not publishing it as of yet because I need to create my my domain. The website that I'm using, it's like their domain is on it with my business name, so I don't like that. So I'm just really trying to figure out if that's the website that I'm trying to go with, or if I'm gonna make it with somebody else. So I'm still, you know, but I love it. It's so cute. I showed all my, not all my friends, but my friends who have been following and up to date with what's going on in my life. And yeah, it's so cute. Like, I so love it. Yeah, so business wise, things are going pretty darn good. Yeah, I'm just really excited. My goal is to have an event at least 2 to 3 times out of the month, like for starting, like for rebranding and getting back into the groove of things. And like every day on my page, I always get DMs and stuff like that, or some, like, you know, like just a whole bunch of new followers and stuff like that on my page. So I'm really excited about that. Like, it's really amazing when your work can speak for itself. And I'm really good and passionate at what I do. Like, I love working with my hands and being creative and stuff like that. And I introduced a lot of new products into that, so I'm excited. So yeah, that's just really mainly what I've been focusing on, and it's kind of like a blessing in disguise that this whole thing happened, because if it didn't, I probably wouldn't be so focused on it and have the time to actually do my research, put in the time to do my website, because that shit took days and I mainly worked on it at night, because in the day I was sleeping, and then in the night I was like an owl. So like, yeah, like days it took me to complete it, and then to do the mobile version, oh my gosh, it was so stressful, because it's like you have to break everything down and make it fit. Oh my god, I don't even want to think about it again. Now that I'm thinking about it again, I don't even think I want to do it on another website. I just think I'm gonna keep that one, excuse me, and just do that. But yeah, my old like look was so much more kiddie-ish, so I'm just working on like rebranding that whole thing and making it appeal to a wider audience, where they don't think I'm just doing birthday parties, but I can do anything else, or assist them with any other type of event that my whoever is having, right? So yeah, that's what's up with me right now. Hold on, let me come back. Let me see if my boss called me. Right now, so no, he didn't call me yet. So let me go finish getting ready. Hop into my room together, okay?
Me, I drink pine and ginger. Them want me for wine, pan a thing, I'm gonna play it at me. I drink pine and ginger. You want me for wine, pan a thing, I'm gonna play it at him. Have the rum and all the sorrow. Him off, you drink away him sorrow. Guess I'm not care about tomorrow. I guess
I got a lot of cleaning up to do this weekend. Like a lot of cleaning up to do this weekend, unfortunately, but I think I put on deodorant. I was talking to Sade the other day, and we were talking about like stuff that we wanted to bring back to our channels, like challenges, you know, fun shit. Like I feel like everything is so serial nowadays, and you know, so I really want to go back to that and do them someday. But there's not really a lot of challenges out there. I've done the Chubby Bunny challenge, I've done the Spicy Noodle challenge, I've done the Bean Boozle challenge, I've done the Blindfolded Cereal challenge. What else? What other challenges are there that I could do? Comment below and let me know, and I will do them. Now is the perfect time because all that my ass can do is sit down. Yep, pulling out back these sweaters. When I tell y'all, February is normally the coldest month when it comes to winter. If you guys are not in Canada, you wouldn't understand. But Februaries are normally the coldest months of winter. Coldest months is the coldest month of winter, right? When I tell y'all, for February we had no snow, and I'm talking about falls on the ground, no snow. Like I was wearing a sweater to work for like the last week. I've only been back to work for a full week. So yeah, like it's been amazing weather. But today we are supposed to be getting a storm of like up to 5 to 10 centimeters. So it's gonna be hectic today. Luckily, there's not that much that I have to do outside as I have to do inside. So that's really good. Yeah. But anyways, guys, I'm just gonna finish getting ready for work, and I guess I will see you guys when I see ya the next time. Okay, thanks for stopping by and checking up on me and my upload. And if you haven't visited my my page, you should. I'm really gonna start looking into shipping out things like favors, that type of stuff. I think that's the only thing that I can really ship out, and maybe like really when I start focusing more on like centerpieces and stuff like that. But as of right now, my business is solely based in Canada, Toronto, the GTA. I should be more specific because I don't want people from Edmonton or British Columbia contacting me and asking me for stuff that I can't pull through with, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So yeah, I'm thinking of expanding even in that sense too, where I can ship out things, but I got to do my research in regards to that. Because I know when you start shipping out stuff, like the duties, if there's any returns, like oh gosh, how to package the things right so that they don't break upon arrival or during, you know, them type of something there. Because yeah, some of these things can be very delicate, see, and I don't have time for that. Even my gift baskets, like if I could, like, you know, do that. And I want to start doing like care packages, like, you know, like when somebody's sick, you can send them like a cute little package to make them feel better, stuff like that. Or I want to start expanding in that sense. I haven't really seen anybody like do care packages and stuff. If they have, please comment below, let me know. I don't want nobody close me and say, oh, this girl tease my ideas. Henry. Ooh. Who's that girl? La 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 la. Oh, this was one of my hairstyles in my hair. How to style your box braids video. If y'all have not checked that out, you should. Yes, bitch. I feel like somebody's hit me. And I feel like I want to take out my braids already. Isn't that crazy? It's been like, what, 2 weeks? I feel like I want to take them out already. I get tired of things very easily. Maybe if I add one next yarn, string some here, so. But I'm gonna take it out probably weekend or next weekend or something. I'm so cute when I'm ready, you know? But anyways, bye guys. I will talk to you later. Okay, I love you.